Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am participating in the A to Z home decor collab with Shenell. Her channel is Angelic Interior Designs. Shenell wanted us to pick a letter from A to Z and share a home decor piece or item. Now I chose the letter C, and what I will be talking about today is a chest. If you are in need of extra storage but can't and won't sacrifice style, never fear, because a chest, or should I say a accent chest or a hall chest, is a perfect option in your home. A chest will add a touch of flair to your existing decor, making a statement in a hall, in a living room, in a bedroom, in an entryway, and so many other places you can place a chest. Now, as you can see here, I have this chest, and guys, this chest I picked up from my local SPCA thrift store. This chest originally came from Rooms to Go. It is considered a hall chest, and I picked it up for just $25. I love everything about this chest. It has a lot of storage. It has 4 doors and a pull-out drawer. Now, I did not leave it in this state. I could have, but that's not me. I took some chalk paint, some white chalk paint, and I painted it. And I actually painted it twice. The first time I painted it, I did not love the color that I had it, so I painted it over again. And this is what you see here. I painted it in white, and I love it. Now, quickly, I'm going to share with you how I decorated the top of this chest by using a few inexpensive home decor pieces. One thing I'm doing, I'm going to DIY some books. Let you tag along with that. I did this really quick. This did not take me no time at all. I went to Hobby Lobby and purchased some letters in silver. I also used chalk paint on the spine of the books. I used some Totally Dazzled bling and some ribbon. And that was it. This DIY project took me less than 30 minutes to do. Okay, decorate with me as I decorate the top, adding home decor to this hall chest. I'm only going to add a few pieces. So let me give you a closer look of what I've done. It's very simple and I love it. I'm going to share with you this entire wall that I've done. This clock here was also a thrifted find. It did not come in this color. It was like a sagey green color. It would have fit in my on my back patio, but I wanted something substantial on this wall here, so I painted it silver. And if you could tell, I took some bling and went all the way around this clock. Just by adding the bling and painting it, changed the entire look of it. And I'm sorry I lost footage of the before. But this is a beautiful clock that I only paid $10 for at my local SPCA thrift. This is a huge clock. Now the top of my hall chest and how I decorate it, there are some florals that my son and my daughter-in-law received for the birth of my grandson from my son's job. How sweet of them, and he's leaving them downstairs for the family to enjoy. Then I place that vase on a plate to protect the top of my chest. Then I wrap those beads around the vase that I picked up from Hobby Lobby clearance. Picked those up for like $1.99, trying them out, and I think they're cute. This warmer I picked up from Aldi for $7.99. I have nothing in it yet, but I thought this was very decorative. It lights up and you can see the light through it. It's a beautiful, beautiful warmer. And I have, and it's hard to see due to my patio, I have this mirrored frame with a quote from Totally Dazzled. It says, "Happy girls shine brighter." And lastly, my decorative books that I DIY'd. Very easy DIY project to do, and it gives you a lot of bang for your buck. I just added the ribbon. And as you can see there, of course, you know I got to add a little bling. Added my Totally Dazzled bling and my metal glasses that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And let me step back here and let me show you my beautiful chest for $25. Beautiful chest. Has lots of storage in it. And it holds my home decor, my smaller home decor items. I would like to thank Shenell, my sister from Angelic Interior Designs, for hosting this beautiful collaboration. Thank her for the opportunity to participate. Please go over to Shenell's channel. I will have her link in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. This A to Z home decor collab, I think, will run for about 5 weeks, Monday through Friday, guys. So we will have different creators participating, sharing a home decor item that they love. So please go over to the playlist and you will be inspired with what all of these creators offer you. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.